Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create animated eyes on Dress to Impress. You actually need to animate them yourself, I just found out. But you're just going to select these earrings and you're going to color it black. Then you're going to scale it down and you're going to place them near where your eyes are, I guess. So like here, it looks really wonky right now. But you're just going to save this in your dressing room, save it as eyes, jump out, and then you're just going to wear that same thing again. And then when you select accessory adjustment, you can actually make it smaller. As you can see, when I drag it to the left, it's actually smaller. Then I'm just going to find where it is. It is a little bit small, so I'm just going to scale it up once again and bring it so it's kind of like here. And then to move it around, I guess you're just going to move it side to side, so like here to here. And that is how you can create animated eyes on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.